stream going live.
This Chad needs the reaction.
And for the mess Trevor has created for our entertainment here. Alright.
Alright, you ready, Chad?
Yep. So, the reason why, Trevor, I was saying that was funny with the whole Spyro thing going on here. If we weren't going to be able to get people together, I was going to stream Spyro speedrun.
Well, look, we're streaming Spyro.
Yeah, we're playing Spyro right here. Oh man.
Alright, I gotta listen to Chad's.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here. I have been arrested for multiple crimes, including battery on a police officer, grand theft, declaring war on Italy, and public indecency. I will be escaping prison on March 28th. After that, I will take over the world.
Did it just stop? Alright.
There we go.
What the fuck? Austin just joined in, was a completely different skin, and changed into Kermit. Wait.
Wow. Where the fuck am
Yo.
Yeah, they go.
Uh-oh.
To Discord. Definitely.
Hold on.
Oh.
My game is completely shit on. I don't know what happened.
Cause you're Kermit the Frog, bro.
No, like, hold on.
What?
Oh no, you're the one who made it, Wise. Everybody else is fine.
Yeah, hold on.
He gave
I don't know what
himself the
happened.
virus. This is why we don't fuck with viruses, friends.
Uh-huh. Trevor.
Hold on. I see Star talking. I did not add extra mods. I made a mod. I don't know what happened. I spawned outside of the ship with, like, all this weird shit on my screen.
The fuck? Well, Dane made it in at least.
I'm glad Dane made it.
Yeah, I'm running it.
About.
I'm running at a frame a sec, less than a frame a second.
What is
great.
happening? I didn't add anything new.
Yeah.
Is it that bad right now, Dane?
Right now it's horrible.
They actually removed stuff.
Yeah, I took mods out. I don't know why yours was be having so much problems, man. You don't have anything else running in the background?
Yeah, that was Dane that was hovering. I don't know what's going on with him.
Yeah, I don't know why your game would be running like shit.
Yeah. So Trevor made a sound path.
Yeah.
I mean, could it be the sound pack causing this?
It didn't cause any performance issues on my end.
Is anybody else having issues?
No.
Chad, can you ask everyone?
Are you guys having issues? Cody?
No,
Austin?
I'm good.
I'm
Yep.
good.
Everybody seems to be having no issues. Just
Because I'm also getting sound replay again too.
What do you mean sound replay?
Like I've heard like 3 things Chad said.
Well, yeah, because Chad's
No, I'm
Chad's
saying
in.
no. I'm saying I'm hearing it. I'm hearing it in the game, but Chad's not saying anything right now on Discord.
what?
Oh,
Yeah, I'm hearing you talk in the game, but I'm not hearing any. You're not talking in Discord.
what?
Okay.
Why are you having so many? Maybe when I launch the ship, it'll be fine.
I'll have to launch the ship once you're able to make it in.
I'm in
Oh.
now.
Okay.
Wait. What is happening? Okay, there we go. I'm in. Dane, can you talk in game? Dane?
I don't think
I can hear you. Are you talking in
game?
game?
We always manage to break shit.
How about this, Dane?
I'm a greedy on his grave.
Dane, you here? Can you hear me? Can we're gonna start. I have late company. We'll play around, but restart your computer. Shut everything down. We're gonna have you relaunch the game. I'm gonna stay in Discord chat, so rejoin Discord. I would hold the power button until it doesn't do anything. All right, and then just join Discord back.
Oh God.
You're here for the chaos. All right. Is everyone
We
ready?
always provide chaos.
Dad, why don't you go look at the moons?
Okay.
Are the sounds working for the terminal?
Like typing shit?
No, like when you come in, like is it playing the Windows?
Yeah, I played the Windows.
Okay, good.
I know you said there was all kinds of shit that you could do with the keys. I didn't know if you did anything there.
No, dude, there's fucking like 8 keys things.
We're just gonna stay with experimentation.
All right, guys, ready?
Who am I gonna be?
It's either this or
Oh,
Val.
yeah.
My face is your toilet.
Bob.
Oh my God. That's my
You good, Chad?
that's my
There
voyage.
you go.
No,
Chad,
the
I want to jump on your back.
bullshit.
I don't
didn't
think that's
work.
gonna work.
I don't know why that didn't work.
Carry me to victory.
There's already a sound that didn't work. I don't know why that happened.
Fantastic. We're off to a great start.
Alrighty. I don't know why that fucking pissed me. What'd you find?
What is
Freddy Fazbear. And a cat.
okay? What is this
Who's
scan?
Cody?
I
I
found
don't
a
know.
broken shotgun.
Don't buy shotgun shells for it.
Why not?
Because it's broken.
I can't fucking see shit in here.
No, it's very dark in here.
Also, calm.
What is it? Yeah,
I don't know what's going on. I hope all the mods are working.
It's concerning whenever we're in a calm place.
Yeah, the scan I put in, because it was like a scan sound that was not very intrusive. happening? I guess we go.
Oh, fuck me!
Got an achievement!
I'm dead.
Oh,
I can't even see him.
he's below the floor.
Alright, well, I'm running
Yeah,
away.
pick up Chad so he doesn't get turned into one.
I'm going this way.
You need to pick up Chad's body.
Just left.
You back, Dane? Okay.
Oh, good.
We're still in our first round, and now we have an enemy that's underground.
Pick up Chad's body.
I
We
can't.
don't want it to
I
turn
can't hold it.
into
I'm
a-
two-handed.
I'm two-handed too.
God.
I can't pick up what?
Oh, fantastic.
There we go.
You checked the fire exit already?
All the way back there? Yeah.
No, the fire exit. The fire exit.
I don't know what the fuck that is.
Come this way. Come this way.
Oh, God.
What?
I don't know. What was that
Go
one?
to the fire.
Uh-huh. Hopefully we get Dane back in. And he's able to run shit.
Shut these up.
What in...
Uh-oh.
Wait,
There's a spider somewhere.
why are their bodies hanging there? How many bodies
going
does it
on?
have?
Why are there so many goddamn webs everywhere?
Oh, he just stepped in a web.
Whoa!
What in the fuck?
Oh my, why are there so many fucking spiders?
I ran out of sprint. Damn it.
The fuck happened to you?
Oh god, he's moving!
What is happening with Trevor? Okay.
I'm mad. Sounds didn't work for loading into the game.
Bye.
Hi, you don't want to go in the fire exit.
Oh,
Go ahead, go ahead.
Wait, why is there a spider outside right there? What the fuck?
Oh, Christ.
There's the snail. Oh, God.
Figure out why that mod didn't work.
Oh, God.
Alrighty, I'm gonna
I guess there is a
What did I
warning about this whole sound mod pack that Trevor put in.
What's that?
Some things could get loud.
Oh,
It
there.
is Trevor.
Oh my
After all.
god!
what?
What's
I
happening?
think we may need to reload the mod pack because there's guarantee there is a sound going to deafen everyone in here because
Like I was
realized I
saying,
gave you guys the non-edited pack.
loud
So that's not
noise.
So there was a reason why we all had 36 instead of
Well, no, no.
38.
All right, well hold on. We're gonna fly up. I don't care if anyone's alive. We're just going. Nothing later.
All right.
I want to figure something out real quick. Dan,
Oh, God.
right.
Okay, hold on. You might be able to join chat here in a second. We're done.
We literally went through a point of listing off every mod in the mod pack per day. Once again, we downloaded the mod pack. Everybody had 136. Dane had 135. Once again, Dane got the wrong number.
Hey, can someone invite Dane?
So, Trevor,
Yes.
you said there was a noise that could deafen us?
Not that one.
Okay.
There is noise that will deafen us, though.
We'll find it.
No, but what I'm saying is there's gonna be shit that's not working now.
Oh.
Fuck me, dude. I thought I had this. There's 2 folders that I'm dealing with. God damn it.
Well, surely folder that you weren't using.
Because I was using one to test in a different mod pack versus the one to test.
What?
Give you guys. Can we get Dane in here and make sure he's not. Shit's not.
I sent him an invite. I also have no idea where this light switch is. It's typically on this wall somewhere, right?
Friends list in Steam won't load now. God.
Of course.
I can't see
Can we-
shit.
Yeah, I don't know where this light switch is. So,
I didn't do anything.
Alright, I can find it.
Dane in. Is Dane alive?
I don't see Dane. Though I don't see much of anything.
Turn the lights off.
I don't fucking know. I'm looking for it.
Pretty sure that Austin put something in power and it, yeah.
Nah.
That kind of turned the lights off. We don't know where the light switch is. Oh, anyway. Dane's here.
See if his shit's working now.
Wait. It just said light switch. It was speaker. Haha.
Are we waiting for
What
Dane
the
right now?
fuck was that? Yeah, we're waiting for Dane because Dane's apparently.
Alright, give me 1 second. I'll be back.
Chad, I'm just saying you should have prepared. You should have prepared for that one.
Hey, we can't find the light switch is the problem there.
I know where it is now. Dane, are you able to hear us now?
Can you hear everyone?
No.
Chad, you're in the floor now.
Yeah, that's how I crouch. I just kind of go down on the ground, you know.
I Tim Tebow. I get down on one knee.
Yeah,
We still can't hear you.
I do.
Watch me gritty though.
What would have caused that frame of set?
Oh, I gritty so
Didn't
hard.
change anything.
What? Oh, there we go.
Everyone else is running fine. I don't know what is wrong with your game.
What? Your hands are just green.
Yeah, my hands are just green.
Wait, what am I doing?
All right.
What that is not what twerking should look like.
Maybe,
What, just
maybe
stomping
reinstall
and,
the mod pack, like redelete and do the code again.
Look, I'm warming
Because
myself
I don't
up.
know why yours would be so fucked up. I don't know why it's doing that.
Fuck.
Okay, what's 8 do? 8's a salute.
Yeah, it should just follow along.
I'm back. Let's go.
things. If
Is
you
Dane
hold
here?
B,
Is
it
there-
tells you what each one is.
Is Dane back?
I don't know why your game is doing that.
Ah. Oh, this is a beautiful one.
Yeah, you're gonna have to reinstall the whole thing again.
Oh
I love
no.
this one.
Delete the one that we have, one that you have in there that had like 135 or some shit. And then do the code that I'll share the code again. And then we're gonna have to re-upload the sound pack again. So
Buckle up for an hour here.
oh my god.
It's gonna be a bit.
Discord won't work now?
Bro, his computer's fucked.
This is code.
Alright.
Hey, what happens if I hit this button? Do I hit this button?
I don't know what's
wondering
going
about
on, Dan.
that. We technically could.
Yeah, let's let Trevor keep consulting. He's perfect ship nurse.
Chip nurse?
Yeah.
I don't know.
All right,
No,
well,
not
I mean,
ship nurse.
I'm uploading a fix to the sound pack. Whenever we want to do that, it should take like 3 seconds. It's just the new files. It's just renaming a few files.
Do we even have to close the game properly?
You're gonna have to close the
Yeah.
game, yeah. Unfortunately.
Would it be upset with us if we didn't?
You know, I
Sure it
don't
would
really
be.
want to find out.
I'm just kidding.
I'm gonna play in another
Yeah,
round
see.
because I'm waiting for the sound pack to re-download. Did he die?
Did who die?
You good, Austin?
Yeah. Yeah, it just went.
They're under the plane.
Chad got stuck.
What?
Oh no, he got a.
No, I went under there after it landed. What? What's with all the achievement things going on? What is happening?
Fine. Hey, there's bees.
What'd you guys find?
Oh no.
What'd you say, Dave?
Excuse me, sir.
There is a file in the Google Drive yet? Yeah.
So,
I don't know how to.
yeah, we're in a predicament here, aren't we? Ah, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Now I'm stuck in the goddamn back rooms. Yeah. Maybe at some point we'll be able to get the mod pack to actually work. You know. Oh god. Oh. Oh, fuck, hi. What the fuck? Alright, let's find out if Trevor got anywhere. Okay, he moved the beehive. Fuck. Trevor? Okay.
You guys find?
Trevor?
I can smell you.
Oh, this isn't good. Why is this room so dark? What the fuck is going on? Oh my god.
I can smell you.
Oh! What is happening? Why are so many nutcrackers? What the fuck was that? What the fuck is that gremlin thing that just came up to me? Oh my god. I don't know what's going on in this game. Wow. This is a nice place over here. I like it here. There's nothing here. Oh, of course you're here. Fucking snail!
That's dead.
There's a snail.
Died to the snail.
I like the prominence poker for the B sound.
Which sound?
The B sound, I think it was. Whenever you're getting
The
chased,
B sound? Yeah.
you just have prominent poker.
Alright. We gotta quit out because Cody's game fucking broke as shit.
Yeah. Do you see me bouncing around?
No. What the fuck happened?
We gotta.
So quit.
Go back to Discord. Yeah, just quit and go back
All
to
right.
Discord. God damn it.